What's up, Indian coin holders? How are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the emergency update of Indian coin. What's going on in this time in the Indian coin? Let me show you, my friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Take channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. At this time, my friends, the latest price of the Indian coin in the market you can see here is 1.46 USD dollar. That is the currently price of the Indian coin in the market. On the other side, if you look the BTC Bitcoin price of the Indian coin, so 0.0003688 Bitcoin is the currently price of the Indian coin. And let me show you, my friends, more about the Indian coin. The market cap here, 24 hours trading volume is here, available supply, total supply. Every update is is in front of your eyes, my friends. Let me show you, my friends, the price chart. The last 1 hour price change of the Indian coin as a negative 3.11%. Last 24 hours pricing is 4.4%. Last 70 pricing is 10.26%, my friends. The price is in the Indian coin completely going good, but now in the last hour the situation, the condition of the Indian coin is going wrong. Last 1 hour pricing is a negative 3.11%, my friends. People don't understand that what should we do in this time. My friends, don't worry about this fast. That is a temporary fast after 1 hour, after 60 minutes and 30 minutes, after maybe after a few hours the price changes will again fall to. So don't decide to sell and don't do this mistake, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion about Indian coin? Please tell me in the comment box. My prediction about Indian coin is 100% positive. I believe that they will give us good amount of profit in the last half of this month, because you can see the previous changes of the Indian coin tell us that they will give us profit. That is why my prediction is positive about Indian coin, my friends. Anyways, hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.